To solve this rational equation, I need to find a common denominator. Well, actually, I don't need to find a common denominator. I just want to clear the equation up a little bit by eliminating the fractions. I'm going to rewrite it just so we're aware of what we're seeing. So this is 3x. X squared minus 9 does factor down to x plus 3, x minus 3, plus 1 over x minus 3 equals 3 over x plus 3. Seeing it in this form helps me understand maybe what is the best choice of numbers to multiply to both sides of the equation. Remember, when we have an equation, I can multiply something to both sides and it maintains the statement's integrity. So I'm going to multiply both sides of the equation by an x plus 3, x minus 3. I feel that's the lowest common denominator that when I multiply it all the way through, the fractions will disappear. Alright, x plus 3 times x minus 3 times this first term. Those guys cancel out with that, so I'm left with a 3x. The second term, the x minus 3's cancel. I'm left with an x plus a 3 equals a 3. X plus 3 cancels out with that x plus 3. Going through it, just a little bit of work there cleared the problem up. 3x plus x plus 3 equals 3x minus a 3, 4x plus a 3, combining like terms. Let's add the x's to one side, so I'll have a 7x. Over there equals a negative 6. Just making sure I got everything that it looks right. And so an x equals a negative 6 sevenths. Oh, that's not what I did wrong. Did you guys pick it up? Something didn't feel right. And I'm staring at the problem going, wait a minute, something's not accurate here. It just had a feeling. It looks like 3 times an x minus 3 is a 3x minus a 9, not a 3. So let's change that. I make mistakes too, but that's one of the good things about writing them all out step by step, so I'm able to go back and determine where did I make a mistake at. So I have a 4x plus a 3 equals a 3x minus a 9. 7x equals a negative 12. Something else doesn't feel right here too, folks. X equals a negative 12 sevenths. You know what? I'm making mistakes all over this problem. You see this other mistake? I subtracted 3x from both sides and got a 7x. 3x over here, 3x from both sides makes just an x, not a 7x. Alright, I'm happy with that. X equals negative 12. Hey, sometimes we just have problems that we're looking past the problem that we should be looking past, and that's what I was doing here. So the solution is x equals negative 12. The other part of this problem too you need to be aware of is, remember at the beginning of the problem, sometimes we need to look for some initial restrictions. Anywhere where the denominator can potentially become 0, I have to be careful of. So if my solutions were a negative 3 or a positive 3, those are the two numbers that make somewhere in my denominator 0, makes it crash. So those are some restrictions I have. But since my solution is x equals negative 12, I'm good to go.